2009 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8 Z71. What we got done on it for you boys and girls this afternoon. Still got those damn catalytic converters, factory, right there and right there. Then no third cat. All right, so it's gonna sound even better. Then 3-inch pipe all the way back, and he wanted it throaty. So guess what we put on it? There's the stock muffler that we cut off, and we put DYNOMAX race bullet, 3-inch in, 3-inch out, right there. 24250 is the part number, right there. Thank you, sir. And then because the muffler is so damn massive, we have to add a 3-inch pipe to make up for the difference. And then continue the 2.5-inch pipe. That's 3-inch pipe, by the way. And then 2.5-inch pipe, continued it out the back, the stock one. He didn't want to put a tip. He didn't want anything. He just wanted sound. So there it is. Let us know what you guys think, and hope you guys like it. I think it looks good. 2012 Texas Edition GMC Sierra 5.3 liter beast V8 truck. There's the old muffler we cut off right there. Humongous. Usually put it outside, but it's freezing out here today in Tennessee, so we're gonna leave it in there for now. We'll take it out later on. It's got caked on catalytic converters there and there. It's got mud cake today. It's on the menu. Then it winds into a single. Then it's got the dreaded third cat that everybody hates. Then flex pipe, then 2.5-inch pipe. Also really nicely caked, and he still managed to do a really nice weld on it, as you guys can see. If anybody says otherwise, I'd like him to come in and show us. Anyways, it's got a vibrant miniature muffler, 4-inch round, right there. Vibrant stainless steel resonator or muffler. It's gonna give it a really nice deep tone. We've put these on before. They came out really nice. Then it's got a wide pipe, 3-inch to 2 1/4. And then 2 1/4 mandrel bent tailpipes all the way back on this side and on this side, into the usual that we like to do, 5-inch roll by 18-inch tips. There and there. As always, comes out really nice, really clean out the sides. And make sure you guys subscribe, please, if you guys don't mind. We would really appreciate it. And we'll try to link up the wide pipe and the vibrant stainless steel muffler for you guys. Hope you guys like it. Let us know. And make sure you guys subscribe, please. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Subscribe. Did I mention subscribe? Hey, did I mention subscribe? And make sure you like, especially after you hear it. Look at that. Whoop, baby. That don't sound too bad. I like it. What do you guys think? If you like it, smash the like button. If you kind of like it, tell us in the comments. Again, there's sound decibels 103. Go ahead and back it up. And it's freezing here, guys, so don't think it's cold start or nothing like that. Our work don't take more than 30-45 minutes to do. If this takes anybody more than 30-45 minutes to do, then I think you shouldn't go to them, because they kind of don't know what they're doing. There it is. DYNOMAX race bullet, never disappoints as usual. We'll let you guys hear on the inside. GMC Sierra 1500 SLE with vibrant. Oh yeah. Vibrant exhaust, wide pipe, 2 1/4 tailpipes, 5-inch tips. Oh man, that sounds so good. You see how it's deep without the raspiness? Sound decibels? Again? Oh, that sounds so good. 105. bad on the sound decibels either. They're so deep, man. Wow. How you like it, sir?
I love it. I love it.
I love it. That's what we like to hear. If he loves it, we love it. It's really nicely done too. Not overly done, just clean. Sorry about the rain, guys. Oh, that sounds so good. As you guys can see how cold it is. Yeah, we just had a blizzard come through here, so. Oh, that sounds so good. We'll let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Silverado. DYNOMAX race bullets. Single. Hopefully he'll get on it. We'll see. There you go. There's the stance you guys want. Sounds pretty good on idle too. It's not too loud. What do you guys think? Let me know. Texas Edition GMC Sierra. Vibrant exhaust. Duals to 5-inch tips. Look at that clean. That thing's clean, man. I gotta admit. Come get you some, guys. Beautiful. Hope you guys like it.